Right, what a day it is, lashing. I'm in the carport. Going to build these tractor rims back up. Got new bolts. Got my copper hammer. I'm going to chap these into the rim. And I remember which way they go because the valve's at the outside and so is the dome. And I chap these out the wheel, so... It's not going to take much chapping, is it? Okay. Right. I'll get the centre. I'll lift this up. That's the best way to do this. I'll put the 4 bolts in it and I'll offer up the centre from the back. Oh. Right. That's this one done. Let me check. Just need to make sure I don't let them fall over on their fronts now. I've checked that other one a minute ago. That one. Aye. Sound. I'll do the same with the other one. And that'll be that. Yeah, that's the 4 new bolts in this one now. That's them both done. Broke the paint a wee bit there where it's tightened up, but that's what it is. Bastard same at that side, never mind. Never mind, be fine. Need to pop these ones back in the beads. I'll give them a blow up. Put the valves back in them. We'll do it now though. I'm going to go get a drink. Rain's went off a wee bit. It's still raining though. It's no cold though, it's nice and warm. Right. Just at the tyre shop, fella's just unloading them. Tractor wheels back. New to me, new second-hand tyres on them. That's the insides we're looking at here, because I'll spin round a bit and it's the bolt dome heads, it'll be on the outside, but I'm not touching them now because I'm showered, washed and changed. I'm going up to car cob just in 10 minutes, so just have to go in for that. But aye, I'll get them bolted back on the next couple of days. I'll get the tractor moved out of there now. I'll just come back out and it's starting to fucking rain. Yeah, we're in the house for a minute. Doesn't matter, I'll be doing this anyway. Taking it. Walking across the road. Never mind. I had a feeling it was going to bloody rain. I did. Oh. Okay. Well, I've just come into the carport for 5 minutes when this rain's on. It was just a shower. Just spun this wheel round. This is the side that you'll see when it's bolted on the tractor. So it's got the domed headed galvanised bolts, the new ones I bought. Aye, it's alright, eh? I'll get them on the day if this rain goes off, hopefully. Back ones anyway. The front ones are lying a bit down there somewhere too. There they are, they're there. That's back one, isn't it? Doesn't matter anyway. Ah, bloody rain. Yeah. Might as well go and do is and get a coffee. Got one wheel in place. I just put them up on that block of sleeper and wiggled it in. I'll put some nuts on that there. I got the tread going the right way, I think so. They're coming back off anyway, like, but yes, anyway. Yeah, but I need to put them on to get the tractor out of here. There. Get that out of there. I'll start them all anyway, then I'll peel the block away, do this all day. There's all that, Kevin. Got this wheel on. This one's a wee bit more tricky because it's tighter to the fence, but it's enough room. I'll show you, I forgot to pull the block out, but I'll get it out because there's gravel on this side, so I'll fucking get it out one way or another. Or should I take it out before I tighten this wheel right up? Maybe I should. Right, I'll back this off again and then just wobble it out the way because then I've got the nuts right tight. Pull that out. Right, that's me got both these rear wheels bolted on for time being. Next job will be some axle stands there, see, but I'll get the dollies. I'll not put the front wheels on yet because I want to do some work at the front of it first. I don't want them all covered in steer. Got some rubbing down to do with the radiator because it's off at the moment. But I'll go and get the dollies, and what I'll do is I need to drill bigger holes in them for the water. Otherwise you just drop the water and sitting outside. I did drill wee holes in them but they weren't big enough, so I'll get a couple and get in here. Oh no, I fucking need these blasting wheels. Ah, dirty bastard. Bugger. Right, I need to move these wheels. Get these out of here. Right, I've got two of these dollies upside down. That's one there. That one there, so I drilled that hole a bit bigger. And there's the hole that I drilled before, it's just a wee tiny hole, but I'm just to take up the first size with a step drill. There we go. I'm going to get a wee bit of paint or something to put on them. I can set them up. I can.